Hey kids, look at these fluffy clouds. They are hiding a secret. Okay, let's pick our first cloud. What could be hiding behind it? Let's light up our torch and shine. Look closely. Do you see it? It's a cat. A cat. A cute little cat has been hiding up in this cloud. Now here's the challenge. We need to make the word. Cat. Cat rained down from this cloud. But how? It's easy. We will need to find these special rain. Let's start searching for the seed drop. Aha! There it is. Our seed drop. Nice and bright. Now we need a drop. Let's look around. Oh, here it is. And finally, the teardrop. Keep looking. We got it. Ready to make it rain. It's raining. The word is cat. Wow, you did it. Amazing. Let's see what other words are hidden up. There's in the clouds. Here's our next cloud. I wonder what is hiding this one. Shining. Oh, look. Here's a bat. Now we have to make the word bat rain down too. So we need 3 drops. Bat. Let's get searching. Got the D drop. Now where's the A drop? There it is. And the T drop. Perfect. Let's place them in under the cloud. That is bat. Look, another cloud. This one hiding a rat. We need our drop. Here it is. A drop. And T drop. The word, here comes the rain, rat. Rat. The next cloud hiding the word is shine. Here the word is mat. Here they come. Mat. Look at it's raining. Mat. Mat. And the next cloud is shine. Now guess. The word is hat. Finally, let's check at this. Last cloud. It's a hat. 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 And now it's raining. You all did an incredible job today, finding and making words rain from the sky. Look at all words we have created: bat, cat, hat, mat, rat. You turn clouds into magical rain of words. Thanks for joining us on Mommy Kids.